Well, if there was another way to say goodbye to yesterday than picking up the newspaper and reading it today. If I found another way to be happy and content living in decay, consumed by hatred, negativity, and fear, I've lost my chance to be free. Afraid. So look up, son, don't be dumb. Keep your head up, son. The journey's just begun today. Meditating, graduate, transcend into another plane, letting go of this and that and living off the fucking map, practicing my alchemy and even numerology, finding not just who I am, breaking the chains. I am free, I am free, set me free, I am free.